Good morning, good morning, good morning. All right.
Order submitted.
Already. Oh, this is oil. You know what I didn't even set up any of the scalpers. All right, let me get on TikTok before I forget. And I have my volume on today, so that's good. Good. All right, good morning. I hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving. Hey, Alex, how are you? Let me go to this. Perfect. Yes, thank you. You too. I have my hot tea. Let's get started. Oil is in a short. This is one of one last night, so we will see how this one does here. All right. Good morning. I hope everyone had a nice Thanksgiving. I'm just getting set up. I need to put in my chop zone because I haven't done that yet. Thankfully, I have... Thankfully, I have my volume on YouTube today, so that's good. Let's see. Okay, I think these are fine. Good morning. How are you guys? So this is my auto trading algorithm. This is on oil. So the price is 78.18. Let's see if we can pull down a bit to show you guys this trade. I can move this over a little bit here. And I'm going to set up NQ in just a second. Good morning. Happy after Turkey Day. If you're new here, I go live every day trading my automated algorithm, which is like a robot, on ES, NQ, YM, RTY, oil, gold. And I actually have oil up today because a lot of people say, where's your oil or where's your gold? And then I don't have it. So this is the chop zone from what day was that? Thursday? What day of the week are we in? Wednesday, Thursday. So let me add the new zone so you guys can see it because this is not correct. So it's 925 and 11,905. It's actually kind of small today, but that makes sense because yesterday was a holiday. I think I lost my texts, maybe, unless they're further down. I think, oh, there they are. All right. I did not lose my texts. I just never pulled them over. I hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving. I hope you ate a lot of good food and you spent time with family or friends. All right, so we are set. What time is it? 9:24. All right, we're good. Look at this smooth drop from the zone, though. Oil's in a short, but it's red at the moment. Sun. I have my hot tea. Ooh, it's so hot. That's great. I don't know what these little lines on my chart are. This was happening the other day. Like, I feel like, what is that? What is that? I feel like I'm going to have to do something about that. All right, should I set up scalper just for fun? Because the market's only open a half day today. Let's see. I can pull it back up just so we can go over it. Do you guys have any good Black Friday finds? I don't think I've never done a Black Friday in person. I'm sure I've bought something online. Well, maybe not, because I feel like that's actually the Cyber Monday or whatever. But yeah, I don't think I've ever done it. Thanksgiving. Wah, wah, wah. Why when I'm Googling something, it's like not what I want. I'm just going to look at the NASDAQ. Market holiday hours, Thanksgiving obviously closed. Today's an early close. Yep, 1 p.m. So the market's open till 1 p.m. today. Hey, Ronald, how are you? We got to get this attention up because I feel like it's getting lost in the sauce. Oh, you want me to do that? Okay, I'll do that. I have 5 minutes to get it set up. Let me do that, Alex, just for you. I'm also putting up a few of the regular ones just to have an idea. Chart. Well, I feel like my NinjaTrader is calculating pretty slow today. Alright, I'm putting up the crazy scalper. Just for Alex. Strategies. If you guys have any questions, let me know. If you're new here, I go live every day from about 9:15 to 10:30, Monday through Friday, showing my automated algorithm as well as breaking down the NQ chart. And I'll do that in a second once I load, because I didn't load these last night. Thanks for the hearts. Yeah, if you appreciate the content, please tap the screen. Hey, David. How are you? There's the crazy. Okay. The crazy is now on. Oh, wait. Do I have it at? Yeah. 9:30. Okay, cool. Also, I want to turn the chart trader on. Okay. Cool. All right. We're good. We're good. We're good. Cool. I did all of that. All right, let's break down this chart of the NQ. So the chop zone's above. Oh, I didn't. Well, actually, it doesn't really matter. The chop zone is this green box above. So it's a proprietary zone that I give to my members every day. I got up today on this like extended holiday and I was so tired. I was like, I need to go put the information in the group. But yeah, but you can see how nicely we've dropped from the chop zone this morning. So what time was this? 3 a.m. we left, and we've just been dropping ever since. This has been really, really smooth. Like my students should easily be able to catch a few of these trades. Oh, you know what I need to do? I probably need to reduce the amount of days. 1 second. So let's see the levels that we have below. Sorry, I'm trying to set up crazy and it's being crazy. So I have a level at 11,783, and then this was the LAS from the other day at 11,748. So we'll see what happens. You can see that this was a strong level. This as well, and they both got through. If it's red, then that means it's super strong. And it got through, and then it kind of hung out here for a little bit, and then it made its next descent. So I think this oil is going to be a loss, and this is why we test things. I found this oil set up last night, and it looks pretty good. That's why you always want to test things and just be prepared. All right, I only have NQ and crazy set up. Insert one below. Could just do this. All right, market's going to open in 1 minute. Again, I don't expect a lot. No one is typically trading these days. Christmas. All right. Let's see what happens. I have crazy on. The market looks like it's popping up a little bit. Let's see if we get a trade, and then I will show you guys. I'm waiting for it to take a trade so then I can update the chart trader so we can see price instead of ticks. Where's the gap fill? There's no gap fill. There's no gap. Gremlin. Oh, where's the gap? There's no gap. What is happening? I gotta name it crazy or I'm not gonna know which one to choose when I'm going back and forth. Oh, you know why this hasn't done anything yet? Because it's 9:32. I have it wait till 9:32. So, All right, well, I have regular NQ on. This is the conservative NQ. Look at this beautiful move down. Beautiful. Should I set up ES, RTY, and YM? All right, let me do that really quickly since I have 2 minutes on the crazy. And you guys can watch this NQ. YM. Oops, that was wrong. Let me do this. RTY. Again, if you're new and you have questions, please put them in the chat. I'm more than willing to answer whatever. ES, you know, if I can't answer it, then I'll just tell you I can't answer it kind of thing. But all right, ES, RTY, and YM are set up. Oil is heading back in the correct direction. So we'll see what happens here on oil with this short. No, I'm not in any positions yet. And again, the positions I get in are all based off of my algorithm and not based off of me technically analyzing. All right, is Crazy in a trade? Yeah, Crazy's in a trade. Long. Let me change this to money. There we go. There you go. Crazy's in a trade. Alex, just for you. Just for you. All right, I had a loss of $95. No, it's another long. Let's see if it works out. Yeah, oil really dropped. Again, everything I'm doing today is in simulation because it is a half day in the market. It's the day after Thanksgiving. No one's really trading, so I'm not getting in my own way here, as I would say sometimes my members do. Oh yeah, Scott, I'm assuming you got my email, so that's fine. All right, let's see oil. We might come out here. Yep, it's about to go back to break even or the entry essentially, and then we'll see if we can move lower. The target is 77.79. It's already 1 for 1 on the day for 300. So let's see if we can break this area. Were you talking about the gap on oil? Well, it filled that. I got to break this 11. Let's see if it can do it. It looks frozen, but it's not. It's because there's no volume. All right, cool. If you guys have questions, let me know. If you want more info, you can email me. Crazy isn't doing anything very crazy. It's just 0 for 2 for $200. This is oil, CL. Where were you last 2 days? What does that mean, Ron? I was actually live on Wednesday, so I don't know where you were. Yesterday was Thanksgiving in America, which I had said all week. So I was with my family, and today I'm here. So the only day I wasn't live was yesterday, Ron. That was the only day I wasn't live. Ooh, we're in a $90 something on the crazy. Is it a short or long? We're in a long. If we can get to 200, then this stop loss will move itself up. Oh. Again, we don't have... Oh, there it goes. It goes back up. All right, so we have this level here at 83. There it goes. You see the stop loss moved itself up? Maybe have this one at 150. Whoa, there we go. 240. This is crazy. It's red 200, so we have to lock up at least 200 or more on this to be green on the day anyway. But it's in a trade that Alex wanted to see, so this is fun. Something to look at since volume is going to be super low today. And then we'll be back to normal on Monday. Everything will be back to normal on Monday, so don't worry. This is the trailing stop on the algorithm, guys. If you're new here and you haven't seen this before, this is the hard stop, which then moves itself to a offset. But the green thin lines those are a actual trail stop. You can see it's moving higher and higher. I could move this over a little. So now it's green $320. Again, this is on one contract. You can see that here it says 1. The green means it's long. If it was 1 with a red behind it, then that would mean it's short. So it's long from this level where the box is, and it's been going up since. So now 405 on this long. Even further now, $500 on this long. This is NinjaTrader. And oil is almost back down to break even too. If you want more info, just email me. Rama, I feel like you're not listening. This is the NASDAQ, and I have one position at 11,777. I'm not sure you keep saying, what's the position? Okay, we locked up profit. The algorithm did all this. The robot took the trade, it moved the stop loss, and it exited me at the trail. So now we're green $235 on 3 trades since 6 minutes ago. My service is the automated algorithm. That's what I offer. So it's taken 3 trades. Like I said, 2 were a loss for $200. The biggest one was 105. And now we're green 235 from that 3rd trade. And oil is about to go back in the green. Let's see if this can happen. Oops. Where is the robot stop? It was the purple line. This is the stop on this one, but on the other one, it was, oh, we're green $120 again. This is the stop. See the purple line? That is the stop. And now it's in the green, so it's a guaranteed green trade. See, when it's in front of the price, that means it's guaranteed green. And then this is the trail, the little thin green line. If you want more info, just email me. Again, so as this continues to move up, the trail will follow it. Obviously, if it pulls back and closes below it and this turns red, then it will close the trade. Or if it hits this red, this purple hard stop, which is in the green. I think that's like $75 or whatever. Oh no, it's more than that. So it's like 4 points. Oh yeah, $75. All right, so it hit the purple line, which was the offset, the hard stop, and it's green $310 now. So it's taken 4 trades, 2 were green, 2 were red, $310 on one contract. Yes, so when you sign up, I give you all of my settings, I give you all of my strategies, and then you can set it up exactly as I do, correct? Yep. If you want more info, just email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. That's the easiest way to get in touch with me. I'll send you an informational email that tells you everything you need to get set up. So Fish, all you have to do is email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. So you have to use NinjaTrader. NinjaTrader is pretty much worldwide at this point. So even if you're in South Africa or Australia or some other country like the UK, you can use NinjaTrader. So I'm using, this is the NinjaTrader platform. It says it right here, NinjaTrader. So I'm using NinjaTrader, and then I'm using my auto trading algorithm within NinjaTrader, like my robot. I'm a vendor for NinjaTrader, so they house my robots with protection, and then I give you guys access as you sign up. Yeah, you'll have to open an account with NinjaTrader. You have to fund it. You have to get their lease or their lifetime of their platform. So their platform has 3 tiers. There's a free, there's a lease, and then there's a lifetime. The only one that it doesn't work with is the free. So you have to have the lease of the lifetime. But yes, exactly, Fish. And that will all be in the informational email that I send you. This tea is so good. If you appreciate the content, please tap the screen or give a thumbs up. If you're in YouTube, I appreciate it. Just tap, 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 send a heart, or share it with some of your friends. We're in another long now here on the crazy setup. Alex, is this in the sheet? Did I ever put it in the sheet? I think I did. If not, I can put it in, but it's like really, really wild. All right, so a little loss there, but we're still at 280, so it was like a $30 loss. Yep, the email's on the screen. boldbotllc@gmail.com. Did I spell atrocious right the first time? Oh, I'm super proud of myself. All right, I just got 2 emails, so I will respond to them as soon as the stream is over, I promise. Oh, yeah, sorry. Most people hate the sound of my keyboard. I usually get complaints about it all the time. Yeah, I think it is too. Well, yeah, it's definitely going to be staying in testing for a while. I haven't even run it in so long. Like, I would rather do the fast, I think, before the crazy. But, Alex, if you want to test one and I can test the other, we can always compare. I love doing that. If you have the time. If not, I get it. But that's why it takes longer for me to figure out which one's better than the other and if we could even go live with one of them kind of thing. So, I hope that makes sense. Sounds good. And I'll give you a step-by-step video in the email, Fish. So, yep. And it will tell you everything. But yeah, it will send you to the NinjaTrader website and all that. So another trade's going on besides this. This one took a loss. Where are you at? It's still green, $80 on the day. But again, something that's so crazy like this, like these setups, if I'm showing you fast or if I'm calling it crazy, which is what this is titled, and hello, I would never trade this on a day like today anyway with super low volume. But the point of these is to take profit when you have it. So this was green, well, it was only green $310, so not a big win. But, you know, the point of these, that was in 6 minutes. So you could have made, you know, that money in 6 minutes or whatever, and then just turn this off and turn on your other algorithms. We don't just have one algorithm. You can run as many as you want as long as they're not overlapping in time. So if you're running something crazy at the open, like what I call crazy, which is this, you need to just take your money and kind of run kind of thing. Oh, YM is in a long. We could watch that too. Let me pull that up over here. All right, so this chart has 3 products. It has ES, YM, and RTY. So this is YM. I don't know why it shows this trade. Was that like break even? Shouldn't have a realized win. All right, 75.80 on this YM long. This is the, I would say this is the first trade of the day. Oh, you know why? Because I turned it on late. That's why. So it had a win earlier for about 10 points, $50. But now it's in a long. So I didn't have that. But I have this one. All right, so we'll watch this trade as I reply to an email or two. If you have questions, let me know, and I'll try to get to them. These are not coins at all. I only trade futures. Good job, Baba. I only trade futures, so indices, commodities, the NASDAQ, S&P 500, the Dow, the Russell, oil, gold, stuff like that. I do not trade crypto. I do not trade stocks. I do not trade forex. If you want more info, just email me. It tells you how much everything costs. It tells you what you need to get set up. I feel like I heard that there was another trade. Am I? Oh, probably on the crazy. See, Alex, it's just like nasty. Nasty. If you're new here, I go live every day from 9:15 to 10:30. If you want to kind of do your research on me and see stuff from my past, please go to YouTube, which is BoldBot. You can watch all of my live streams there. Like, I'm sure some of you work during the day, so you probably haven't seen me before and you're on vacation or you're having the day off. So if that's the case and you want to kind of see things in the past, then please go check out my YouTube. That's where you'll find the most information to kind of watch and see the algorithm in action. Oil is still in that short, but it's red. I think crazy's done, so I'm just going to leave that one alone. I am letting my automated algorithm trade for me. Again, I don't trade pairs, bond. This is the YM on the NASDAQ market. I only trade on the NASDAQ market. Hey, Lamborghini. This is RTY, which is the Russell. This is the Dow, which is YM. And this is ES, which is the S&P 500. I also have the NQ. This is oil, which is CL. And then I have the NASDAQ as well right here. This is my chop zone, which is a proprietary zone that's given to my members every morning. You can see that we left it perfectly at 3 a.m. and we haven't been back. This is ES range. No, this is NQ range. Why is it showing? When was this? Oh, yesterday. Well, yeah, right. We didn't run it yesterday on Thanksgiving. And then this was NQ range is 100% for the past 8 sessions. 8 sessions. And then this is ES range. So this is one of my other algorithms. This was 100% if you turned it off Friday afternoon before FOMC. On FOMC it had a loss, but I had mine off, as most of our members did. So we're in this long of the YM. Kind of a lot going on at the moment. Yeah, no, I just type 80 words per minute naturally. I'm not sure. I guess nobody in high school had a typing class, because we had a mandatory typing class, and I didn't enjoy it, but it taught me how to type. And then I've always worked in corporate America where I've had to type emails and message people and whatever. So, and I'm not young, so I feel like most people around my age should also be able to type, but it seems like it's few and far between. Yeah, so it's not, but okay. I don't trade crypto. I don't trade stocks. I don't trade forex. No. So Serva, I just went over that. So I trade the NASDAQ, I trade the S&P 500, I trade the Dow, I trade the Russell, I trade oil, gold, natural gas, we're working on silver, copper, all of those. No, there's no spread. So there's a natural spread, yes. But there's no spread where you're going to have to pay. Like, I pay one fee for every trade. So no matter where I get filled, like, which typically right around the spread, like, you're never going to have some crazy fill. Like, if the spread is, I don't know, say at 11,000, I could probably show you on NQ. But the point is, that's the difference between Forex and futures, is the spread is not used against us. Whereas in Forex, the spread is used against you guys because they make money off of the difference between your fill and really where it should have been filled, essentially. So we get filled immediately at the price that it is currently. And then from there, we just pay a set rate. So I pay $4 round trip for every single trade, if that makes sense. Yeah, so that's the biggest difference. So we're green $185 in this trade on the YM. The stop loss is in the green as well. So if it pulls back to this purple level, we will be guaranteed, well, we're guaranteed green anyway, but if it pulls back to that level, it will exit there. If not, this little green line right here is my trailing stop. So that will continue moving up as the trade moves up. If it starts moving sideways, then the green line will start moving sideways. I'm trying to just pull this up. I was trying to move this over a little bit. There we go. Thanks for the follows, guys. I go live every day from 9:15 to 10:30, showing you my automated algorithm, which runs on every product in the NASDAQ, in the futures market. So, yeah. Wait, why are we on? Oh, well, Cash, you're on the wrong one. All right. It's not for options. I do not trade options. I only trade futures. I do not trade crypto. I do not trade Forex. Does the bot give you consistent profits? Yes. It's 88% on the entire year of 2022. So I would say so, yes. This trade right here is on YM, which is the Dow, which is the US 30, however you know it. That's what it is. I go live every day from 9:15 to 10:30, both on here, on TikTok, and on YouTube. If you appreciate the stream, please give a thumbs up or send some hearts across. If you tap the screen, that will send me some hearts. Yes, thanks, Joe. So green, $235. Again, this is on one contract. It tells you that right here. So I have one contract long. The one contract itself cost me $500, but that has nothing to do with this value, which is regardless my profit or loss at the current time. RTY is also in a long, so that's down here. It's on the same chart. I would need to open it up because I have it like this. So this is RTY. RTY just got in a long as well. It's green, $10, but we'll focus on YM since that's obviously giving us more action. What platform, yeah, so this is NinjaTrader. What time? So I tell you the times and all of the settings when you join the group. I don't discuss that on the free live stream. The minimum deposit is $3,000, Ninja. Is the program you created? I created this. I have 7 different algorithms. This is just one of them. The one that's 88% on the year is range, which is this one. But this is scalper, and scalper is just killing it. It's so good. So again, I could take this purple stop loss, click it, and I could move it higher if I wanted to, but I'm not going to do that because I'm going to trust the algorithm. This thin green line right here is my trail stop. So like I said, this will continue moving up as the trade keeps moving up. We're green 305. Obviously, if you wanted to take profit right at this point, you could take this and just move it straight up to close to where the price is. You can never move it in front of the price because it is a stop loss, but you could move it close behind the price. So I don't exit the trade at any point on my own. Sometimes I'll turn the algorithm off, like on Wednesday, it was the day before Thanksgiving, we were 2 for 2, and then I turned the algorithm off at like 1 p.m. But I never interfere with the trades themselves. The win-loss on the scalper is pretty high, but it takes a lot more trades, and I haven't been tracking it as closely, and we haven't been running it the entire year. So we've been running it for like the past 2 months. It made $20,000 on just one contract in the month of October. So if you want more information or you want to get the algo, you just have to email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. Lamborghini said it works. I've been doing this for 9 days and I'm green every day. Yes, you are. So again, this is the futures market. I do not trade crypto. I do not trade options. If somebody DMs you or follows you that looks like me and says something about crypto, it's not me. Please block and report them because it's been happening all the time. I will never follow you on TikTok. I will never message you on TikTok. If you want to get in contact with me, I tell you how, and I feel like it's pretty self-explanatory. So if you want to get in contact with me, just email me, go to my website. I have a contact sheet on my website. Either of those options come to my email, and then I will respond to you that way. I will not message on social media unless it's Instagram because that one is a lot easier, but I will never message you on TikTok, so just know that. So if somebody tries to message you, it's not me. Nice job, Vivi. Vivi made $1,800 already. Andy made $500. They're both my students. I do not trade currencies. You can. How much? Yeah, no, I'm definitely not kind. The algorithm is $500 for the first 3 weeks as a paid trial, and then it's $1,000 every month after that. No, absolutely not. Never said that. No. And I don't have the best advice for trading gold. I don't know why so many random people come in here talking about gold. Yeah, no. I don't have any advice for gold. So again, we're still in this long. If it pulls back and it closes under this green line that turns red, then it will take me out of the trade. Or if it comes and it hits this purple line, then it will take me out of the trade. Also, RTY down below is green $80 as well. So on the algorithm, you can trade as many products as you want at the same time. So this right now is green $80 on top of the $300 up here. So as long as you're not overlapping strategies on the same product, like I cannot run YM like this and then YM range at the same time, but I can run YM scalper, NQ scalper, ES scalper, RTY scalper all at the same time. And I do that every day. So as long as you're not overlapping times on the same product, then you can run as many strategies as you want. Yes, this is NinjaTrader. I don't use indicators. Today, everything's on simulation because it's the day after Thanksgiving and the market closes early and the volume sucks. But normally, everything is live except for if I do fast or slow. But I always say that in the morning when I'm on the stream. Again, the Tan Man, I kind of discussed that a second ago. Yeah, so again, we don't have I don't have a set ratio to give you. You can't do historical data with the scalper because it will not be correct due to these lines that can change color as you're crossing. So I don't like to rely on the historical data, but we keep track in our setting spreadsheet of the results every single day. And like I said, in October on one contract, it made around $20,000. Can TradeAvate be my broker? No, you cannot. Your broker has to be NinjaTrader. Even though NinjaTrader owns TradeAvate, they cannot be linked. Like, you think they would do it at some point, but they haven't done it yet. They have not added. So like, these are the options for connections, and TradeAvate is not on here. So you can use a funded program and use Algorithmic. This is NinjaTrader. You can use Interactive Broker. Or I think you can use like MetaTrader 4 or 5, like the broker side, whoever the broker is. But yeah, no, you can't use TradeAvate. So we're green 375 on this. Again, see, this is why I'm glad I didn't move my stop loss, because I'm trusting the algorithm. And you can see this is the trail stop now. It's gone even higher. So guaranteed green. We just don't know how much yet. And RTY is still green, $60. If you want more info, just email me. Okay, well, this isn't crypto. I agree that crypto is kind of shady, but this is the futures market. The futures market's been around for 1 billion years, and it's based off the stock market, so it's pretty legit. Yes, DA after the first month. So the first month you get 50% off of the first 3 weeks. Again, FX, I don't trade forex. This is the NASDAQ NQ on the futures market. I only trade futures. So no crypto, no forex, no stocks, no options. Thanks for all the follows, guys. I go live every day from 9:15 to 10:30. So I have another half an hour here with you, and then I'm going to wrap it up. If you want more info, just email me. If you want to do your research and kind of look into stuff, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com, or go check me out on YouTube. I go live every day, and I record every live stream, so you can go back and watch all of the live streams there. I have a video on my YouTube that explains futures, so instead of wasting a whole bunch of time, it's probably best that you just go there. I'll show you where it is. So this is my YouTube, boldbot, 2 words. And if you go to videos and then you go down, it's one of my most popular videos from 2 years ago, right here. What are futures? It's a 30-minute video. It explains what futures are, how they work, how you can trade them, how much they cost. So that's what you should do. Paradox, I don't disclose my time frames unless you're in the group. That's given to you when you join. So we're green $400 on this one contract. So y'all, this is one contract. I've almost made 100% off of the investment of this contract. And most people in my group take 2 or 3 contracts. So that would be $800, $1,200 on this one trade. And again, because they're futures, I'm just paying one cost. So I'm paying $4 per contract per trade. So this costs me $4 to take this trade. If you had 2 or 3, it would cost you $8, $12, whatever. But again, this is the point of not getting in and out a million times, which I know most new traders like to do, and they think that's the way things should be done. But I promise it's not. If you can find a setup like this, which is golden, and it can just trail behind your trade, give it some room, let it do its thing, you're going to make so much more money than getting in and out for $50 every time, and then you pay $5 on every trade that you're making $50 on, and then you lose $300 on one of the trades. RTY also down here is green 165. Hey Rome, how are you? I hope you had a good Thanksgiving. I'm technical 100%. I don't watch any fundamentals. I don't really pay attention to the news at all. I don't care. If you know how to watch price action, that's all you need. So RTY is now green $220. So now between these two, it's like $600. This is green 230. This is green 400. That's almost $700 between 2 individual trades. This is one contract. You can see it here, one at, and this is one contract. $650 on one trade each. Cost me $4 here, cost me $4 here. This is the Dow. This is the Russell. No, I do not trade crypto, so I don't care about Binance. I'm not doing anything on crypto. This is all futures on the futures market. I can just put this here so you guys can see. Well, it's kind of in the way. But just so I can show you right here. So this is YM, which is the Dow. It's green 460. This is RTY, which is the Russell, which is green 300. These are the entry prices. And again, I'm only long one contract. So I'm only long one contract on each of them. And this is the first trade today on both of them. And actually, YM had a $50 win before, but I didn't have mine on yet, so I didn't get that. Good job. Congrats. I'm not actually partaking in this as it's a half day, the day after Thanksgiving. No, thank you. All right, now I'm going to have to copy and paste this again. Again, this ticker is $500 here now, YM. This is YM, which is the Dow on the futures market. This is RTY, which is the Russell on the futures market. So now we're green $800 on these two trades, guys. Right here. 500 on YM, 250 on RTY. If you're new here, I go live every day. This is my automated algorithm. This is all done for me. I'm not doing anything. It's trailing the trade for me with this thin green line. This thin green line is trailing the trade. This is my break-even offset, which is in the green. It's in the green, like $150. But regardless, my trail is higher, so that this purple line doesn't really matter anymore. If you want more info, just email me. Because I love futures. Yeah, I have a clicky keyboard, and you guys are sitting on top of it, so I'm sorry. Futures is super liquid. You get a tax benefit with futures. The futures market is open 23 hours a day. There's no PDT rule with futures. Your money never has to settle. So as soon as you exit a trade, like if I exited this right now, my $450 would be liquid cash. I could take it out of my account. Why else do I love futures? It's super liquid. Like there's so many things you can trade that are liquid all of the time. Gold, oil, and then all of the indices, like so many things that are across a wide variety of like countries and kind of markets that really can just keep you entertained. The tax benefit of futures, you should Google it, but it's a 60-40 split. So all of your gains for the year are taxed 60% on the long-term rate. So I day trade, which means if you're day trading options or stocks, everything is taxed at the short-term capital gain rate, but not in futures because futures are better. And if you have questions about that, please contact your CPA. I am not a CPA, and that is not accounting advice. It's just what I know because I've been trading futures for like 8 years. No, I don't have anything about tax benefits because I'm not a CPA duck. You should reach out to a CPA if you want more info on that. But it's information on Google. It's pretty straightforward. And I also know it just because I've been trading futures for so long. So it's a 60-40, which is amazing for your gains to protect them. So I love futures. You could start with as little as $400 in futures. Like there's so many reasons why I love futures over anything else. Yeah, no. If you go to my YouTube, which is Bold Bot, it's all just trading. It's all futures. How much is the fee per trade? $4, like I mentioned. Thanks for all the follows. You do one-on-ones? Yes, I do. P. Dot. You can email me about that. So YM's pulling back towards this trail. We'll see if it gets taken out here. The fee per trade is $4. Thanks, Finger. Would it be true to say that futures are less volatile? No, futures are super volatile. But if you know how to trade them and all you're doing is turning on an algorithm with set parameters, then it's not really going to affect you. Hi, Miguel. Hi, Mo. No, so RN, I'm saying that to trade futures, if you were just to say, I want to trade futures on my own, blah, 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 you could start with $400. If you want to use my auto trading algorithm like this, I recommend that your starting balance is $3,000. I used to say $2,000, like it could be $2,000, but I just think it's safer, and I think it's better if people start with $3,000 or more. Most of my members start between $3,000 and $5,000 in their account. Some start with $10,000 or more. But you can legally open up a futures account, is what I'm saying, with as little as $400. Yeah, I know, right? I should still be in bed. This is NinjaTrader. We're green $800 just between these two trades here. So this is YM, which is this one. This is RTY, which is this one. They're trading for me, and we're green about $800. It's funny because RTY started so much later. This was green like $200 or $300, while this was only green like $10. To use my bot, I don't know what that means. To use my bot, it's $500 for the first 3 weeks as a paid trial, and then it's $1,000 every month after that. If you want more info, just email me, and I will respond as soon as the stream is over. Typically, I have my admin responding as I'm live, but she's on vacation for the holiday, so I will respond as soon as the stream is done, I promise. So if you're waiting on the informational email, I'll be sending it immediately once I get off here. Okay, Elijah. Yes, it is. I have 170 people currently using it, so I don't think they would be paying if it wasn't legit, but, you know, people are always going to hate. Slow and go. Oh, I like that, David. Yeah, I don't know. Verola, you're going to have to check with NinjaTrader. Just go to their website and see. I know back in the day, like Trade-of-8 and all them, the lowest was 400. No, I'm not using MT4. This is NinjaTrader. NinjaTrader on NinjaTrader. NinjaTrader. All right, so we pulled back to the trail on this YM trade. Let's see if it gets below and this turns red, then it will close the trade. Same here with RTY. It is 10:14. I'm going to be live for another 15 minutes, and then I go live every day from 9:15 to 10:30, Monday through Friday. All right, so YM took profit there. You can see that happened. I wasn't doing anything. So YM is green. It took profit, $330 on one contract. Again, that cost me $4 to take the trade. RTY is still in this long green, $275. And YM had a trade before. I just didn't have it on for like $50. So really YM's like $380 today. Hi, Jamie. I miss you on the live streams. Yeah, again, SS, it does it for me. I'm not going to just exit because it was $455. I think that's something that new people don't understand. You're never going to get the very top of anything, and you're never going to get the very bottom. But this is all being done for me, fully hands-free. I could be sleeping right now, and that $330 trade would have still happened. So I don't need to be present for any of this to happen, and therefore I'm okay knowing I'm never going to get the top, I'm never going to get the bottom. Even if you're manually trading, you're never always going to get the top or the bottom. So also, I don't like when people count my coins, so B4, you're getting muted. Oh no. Mo, oh, okay. Mo, you had me scared for a second. So RTY, oh, I can switch this so you guys can see the RTY trade now that YM is over, because YM was more exciting. Yes, it is a robot trading for me. And I go live every day to show you the robot trading for me. Yes, correct. So this is RTY down here at the bottom. I just turned the chart trade around. If you have multiple products on one chart, you can't have the chart trader on all of them. You have to pick which one you want to show. So since YM was more exciting, I had it on YM. And now YM's out of the trade, so we can focus on RTY, which is down here, $270 currently. And the stop loss is in the green. And this is the trail. If you want more information to get the algorithm or the bot, just email me. I'm not trading pairs. I'm trading the futures market. This is RTY, which is the Russell. What futures you recommend with a bot and small account? So that information is given to you when you join the group. You can trade exactly what I'm trading, but just on the micro scale. This is YM, which is the Dow, the US 30. This caught the trade for $330, locked it up. Can I use it for regular stock market or crypto? No, you cannot use it for crypto. You can use it for the stock market on TD Ameritrade. You have to link TD Ameritrade to NinjaTrader, but it's not recommended because I don't have strategies or information to give you. So the thing is, I've been doing this for over 2 years, where I have tested, back tested, forward tested a million different strategies, and the ones that work are the ones that we're using. But I don't have strategies for stocks because I don't trade stocks on my algorithm. Like, I've done it before, but I never really focused on it too deep because most of the people in my group don't have the money to cover PDT, if that makes sense. You cannot use this on Trade-of-8. You have to have an account with NinjaTrader, and you have to have the NinjaTrader platform. I know NinjaTrader bought Trade-of-8, but it's still not a thing. I don't make predictions for the future. These are both one mini. This is one mini for $330. This is one mini for currently $260. Yes, when you join the group, I have step-by-step video that gets you fully set up on how to use the algorithm, how to put in the settings, how to chat in the group. And then I have myself, I have an admin, and I have another employee. So there's 3 of us that are at your disposal for questions or for help to check your settings, all of that. No, you cannot use it for options at all. No. You can only use it for stocks, forex, or futures. But again, my main focus is just futures. So if you use it on any of the other markets, I'm not going to have settings for you. Like, you can try to figure them out obviously on your own. You can do some back testing, some market replay, but it's not going to be as easy as it would be if you just used, if you just had a futures account and you were trading futures. So if you want to join, again, just email me so you can get more information. If you don't already have a NinjaTrader account, that's going to be the first step. You have to apply to NinjaTrader. You have to get approved. Once you're approved, you have to fund the account. Once you fund the account, then you have to purchase the $12 market data. Once you purchase the market data, you have to get either the lease or the lifetime. So it takes a few days to get set up. Robot from. I have an account with TD Ameritrade. So again, self-made, just email me and I can give you the discounted link. That's another reason why you should email me. If you go strictly to my website, you're going to be paying the full price. If you email me, then you will get the discounted price, which is $500. Yes, absolutely. Oh my gosh, so many Trade-of-8 people today. No, you cannot use Trade-of-8. It has to be NinjaTrader. You have to have an account with NinjaTrader. You have to have the NinjaTrader platform. No other platform works. No other account works. Unless you want to do TD Ameritrade with stocks, or unless you're using a funded account, you can use a funded account, Lilu, UProfit, whatever the other ones are called, Apex. You can use those, and then they will link to NinjaTrader, and they will pay for your lease or your lifetime for NinjaTrader. The minimum amount to trade futures is like $400. The minimum amount to use my algorithm is $3,000. Yes, self-made. Self-made, we're already up like 500 today. No, 800 today. Also, oil is green in this short now. Oil's green 300. This was one trade. YM's green 330. And this should be 380 if I set it up properly last night. So that's 700 right there. And then we're in this RTY trade for another 200. And if this short for oil goes to target, that's another $300. This is not an indicator. Oh, you mean on the scalper? This is my algorithm. It's not an indicator. When you create an algorithm, you can say how you want it displayed. So you can say, I want it to be a solid line. I want it to be a dashed line. It doesn't matter. But this is just my algorithm. So you're not going to be able to find it anywhere unless you get it from me. Okay, so Giandre says UProfit's the best. Some people really like Apex too. Yes, there's 2 or 3 Australian people in my group currently. And again, all of these trades, self-made, is with one contract. So most people in my group take 2 or 3 contracts. So if you look at it that way, if you took 2 contracts, this would be double, $600. This would be double, $660. So that's over $1,200 right there. And then this $225, which is unrealized, would be $460. So yes, the month of October off of one contract, we made $20,000 just on the NASDAQ. So. All right, I'm going to wrap this up soon. It's 10:22. Again, I go live every single day. No, I do not trade options. Why don't you have NQ today? I do. And it's Lauren, not Lawrence, Sylvia. NQ's right here. It just hasn't done anything yet. If it did something, then I would show you. But it hasn't done anything. LAUREN. I go live every day, 9:15 to 10:30. If you want to watch any of my previous live streams, they're all recorded and on my YouTube every single day for the past like 2.5 years. So feel free to check those out. Feel free to tap the screen, give a thumbs up. Yep, anyone that has emailed me, I promise I will be responding to you in the next 5 minutes. And if you have any questions after I email you, just respond to that email and let me know your questions, and I will respond to you as soon as possible. I am going to be out this afternoon doing some things with family. The days that there's no movement, no. Like today should be a day with no movement, and look at it. The NQ open, it's open until 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I think it's like 12:15 Central Time. No, you cannot trade on Webull. This is only NinjaTrader. NinjaTrader platform, NinjaTrader, 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 NinjaTrader. You have to have a NinjaTrader account. You have to have a NinjaTrader platform. Joe from New Jersey. Good to see you live. I'll be back. Okay. Sounds good, Joe from New Jersey. To the email or robots? Self-made, if you're listening, listen, I don't like to be rushed. I just told you I go live until 10:30. So really, my live stream people have me for 6 more minutes. I'm live on YouTube and I'm live on TikTok. So yeah, there might be robots in there, but it doesn't matter because there's other people that actually matter. And I said, as soon as I get off the live stream, I will respond to everyone that has emailed me. NinjaTrader does not work on a Mac, but that's also covered in the email. Well, there you go, AK. It's covered in the email that if you have a Mac computer, you can get a VPS. Most of us get a VPS regardless. And the VPS is a virtual private server that keeps everything, thanks Joe, that keeps everything running. If you lose power, it doesn't matter. If your computer goes to sleep, it doesn't matter because everything is based out of where your server is built. It's really cool. The internet's, like, the connection's really, really fast. Okay, good. Because I don't like when people tell me what to do. Right, Mo? Mo's in my group because he knows. Because people matter. Every single person matters, even if you're a robot. This is NinjaTrader. Bye, Jamie. Please don't be a stranger. I know you're busy, but we miss seeing your nice little face on the live streams. Why do you sell a bot that can make you a billionaire? Because I'm not a greedy person. I actually enjoy being more of a business person than just being a lone trader. Trading by yourself is really lonely and boring. So if I can create a business where I have a community of people and we all rally around each other, I would rather do that. And that's what I've done since 2020. So, and I've seen the lives that I've changed. Like, I have a buddy who has been able to retire his wife, and he makes $1,000 to $3,000 every single day before he goes to work. And things like that just make me really happy. So, and Kenny's made like $1 million since I taught him what to do. So. All right, I'm going to get off of here. I'm going to go respond to all of those emails. If you have any questions, please email me. If you want more information, email me. We'll see what happens with this RTY trade. And have a good weekend. Stay safe. Yes, Lamborghini agrees. The community is great. All right, guys. Thanks for joining. Have a good one. Bye. All right, YouTube, I'm going to get off here. I'll see you guys on Monday at 9:15. 9:15. See you then.